Tips for single moms with special needs children. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Being a single parent is difficult enough, but having a child with special needs adds to the complexity. The hurdles can be numerous, and if the other parent does not provide support, you will be on your own to care for your special needs child, as well as your other children. It's a lot of work, and even if you want to do everything you can for your child, single parents are more likely to burn out than families who share the day-to-day duties of special needs parenting. Even if the challenges are great, there are ways for single parents to provide a nice life for themselves and their children. This video will give you some great suggestions. Parenting a child with special needs is similar to running a marathon. There are no breaks for individuals attempting to complete a marathon. You eat, drink, and even pee while running if you want to stay in the race. Our marathon, on the other hand, will continue for the foreseeable future and beyond. So keep in mind that you don't have to win to make it to the conclusion. The man who finished last in the marathon took stops, stood and drank some water, grabbed a short snack, and went to the porta potty, then got back on the road. Make time for yourself, even if it's only for a few minutes. You might even get a chance to pee in privacy now and then. Make a daily schedule and attempt to stick to it. A regular regimen might aid with stress reduction. If your child knows what to expect, she will be less worried and have more time to tackle other things. If your child's other parent is willing to participate, work together to meet your child's needs. Each of you will have different opinions about how your child should be raised, but try to stick to the same routines in both homes. Sharing opinions and meeting in the middle, as long as everything is centered on the child's and family's needs, can help you create a strong family environment and make your child feel safer. Make friends with other single parents who have special needs children. Talking with someone who understands what you're going through can make you feel better about yourself. There are so many methods to communicate with other parents these days. Try looking for local special needs support groups or single parent support groups on the internet. For assistance in locating support groups in each state, go to the National Center for Family Professional Partnerships, F2F-HICS. Many parents are now using social media to connect and encourage one another. You can look for online groups on your favorite social networking platform, Facebook, Instagram, etc. You might come across certain groups dedicated to a specific diagnosis, and those that are for people with a wide range of disabilities. Other parents can be a great source of support, regardless of how you seek it. Groups are a terrific opportunity to share your experiences with other parents, as well as listen to theirs and exchange support and tips. Family time. Even if you are busy, it is of great value to spend time together as a family. Look at the calendar and set out time each week to spend with your family and do something pleasant. Your child will appreciate having something to anticipate in his weekly routine. Counseling can help with stress because a therapist or counselor can provide an unbiased perspective, listen to your concerns, and guide you through the process. Many programs provide therapy on a sliding basis, and it is occasionally reimbursed by health insurance. Allow your other children to assist if they are old enough, but not excessively. Sisters and brothers frequently take on the role of helper, which is both natural and wonderful. But, as we all know, our special needs children require a lot of assistance at times, and we must be careful not to overburden our other children. They require time for themselves, friends, activities, and, on occasion, time alone with their parents. Allow your family, friends, church, and neighbors to assist you. Many parents feel compelled to do it all, which can result in anxiety, stress, and weariness. Allow friends or family members to assist you if they offer. When they say, "Let me know how I can help," they are expressing their genuine want to assist you, but they may not be sure how. It is okay to say, "Is that true? I could use some help with." If you require assistance with your accommodation, food, healthcare, or childcare, everyone should know about Aunt Bertha. It's a network linking up non-profits and social programs with people who need them. If you need help with paying for groceries, healthcare, housing, utilities, or help to find a job or getting legal aid, Aunt Bertha's got you. You can inquire with your local social service agency for assistance. When there is only one source of income in the household, it might be difficult to satisfy all of your demands. Many organizations have assistance programs that assess households based on their income and needs. Allow yourself some alone time. This is the most important thing for a single parent, but it may feel out of reach. Allow yourself some time to accomplish something that is solely for you. This time can provide you with the necessary fuel. Setting rigorous bedtimes for your children is a nice way to sneak in a few minutes for oneself now and then. Early bedtimes, about 7:30 or 8 p.m., are beneficial to a child's routine and health, as well as providing time for parents to unwind in the evening. Take a bath, read a few chapters of a book, or watch your favorite TV. Of course, your routine will vary, but for the most part, make that time your own. Having a strategy and locating resources is beneficial to both you and your child. Do what works for you, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. You are not alone. Many parents of children with special needs enjoy caring for their children but also face similar challenges daily. And as always, ladies, thank you for watching. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Toodles.